So this delicious bowl is not only health promoting and full of protein, but it also is great for breakfast, snack, or as a dessert. And today, I'm going to show you how to make your own. Okay, so let's talk about the ingredients we're going to use to make this high protein immunity smoothie bowl. Now, first, let's talk about smoothie bowls, because some people may be thinking, why not just make a smoothie? And you could do that. You could take all these ingredients and make it into one big smoothie and drink it. The thing I like about smoothie bowls is you can use those same ingredients and make a base that's a little thicker than a smoothie would be, so it's spoonable, and then add your toppings and create different textures. It's almost like eating ice cream. And you can put things like walnuts and hemp seeds again, to add some texture to it. It's just a funner way to eat it, in my opinion. Let's talk about what we're going to use to make our base for the smoothie bowl. We're going to use some frozen cherries. We're going to use some cacao powder. We're going to use some organic glyphosate-free and gluten-free oats. We're going to use some protein powder. Now, the protein powder that I use is Complement. A lot of you know that Complement is my protein powder of choice because it has a great amino acid profile, super clean, and Complement is very transparent. So a lot of people worry about contaminants and heavy metals, lead and cadmium and those kind of things in supplements, particularly protein powder. But one thing I love about Complement is that they are very transparent and they post the results of their testing on their website, so you can check out just how clean this product is. So this is my protein of choice. We're going to use some cashew milk that I have here. We're going to use some vanilla bean powder. We're going to use some black cumin seeds, some ground black cumin, super health promoting food. I eat it every day in my smoothies. And then we're going to use some chia seeds. So these things are going to form the base of our bowl. And then we're going to add some toppings. It just gets healthier and healthier. Our toppings are going to be some cacao nibs here, some hemp seeds, some walnuts. Those of you who know me know that I love walnuts, one of the top 3 or 4 healthiest foods on the planet, in my opinion. We're going to use some fresh strawberries and then some fresh cherries. So as you can see, lots of good foods here. Lots of super health promoting foods that we're going to put together to make a delicious health promoting immunity high protein bowl. Let's start putting it together. One thing that you'll notice is absence from my list of ingredients is something that most people put in their smoothies and smoothie bowls regularly, and that's bananas. But recent research has shown that bananas contain a substance called polyphenol oxidase. It blocks the absorption of the super health promoting polyphenols that you find in blueberries, strawberries, other berries, as well as chocolate. So adding a banana to a healthy smoothie would actually be counterproductive. Okay, so now I've got my base blended. It's just a matter of pouring the base into the bowl and then getting it topped with our other fruits and nuts and seeds, and our smoothie bowl is ready to go. Another thing I love about smoothie bowls is that it gives you the opportunity to combine lots of healthy foods into one dish, and that's exactly what we're doing. Okay, so all that's left is to get our toppings on and our bowl is complete. So let's talk a little bit more about the super health promoting cumin seeds. Now, studies suggest that black cumin can help lower cholesterol and blood sugar, as well as lower blood pressure, and it even improves overall heart health. It's also been used traditionally in India to help with asthma and respiratory issues by reducing inflammation in the airways. Okay, and it's that simple, guys. It's that simple to make a delicious, health-promoting bowl that you're gonna have for breakfast, a snack, or even as dessert. That's good. All right, if you're new to my channel and you're wondering how to find the recipes, look below the video and tap on the word more and you'll see the beginning of the recipe. Tap on the word more a second time and you'll see the full recipe, and then you can begin to make your own. Thanks for watching.